Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Regaal Resources Limited. According to FNS report, we are one of the largest manufacturers of maize-based specialty products in India in terms of crushing capacity, with a total installed crushing capacity of 750 tons per day (TPD). The FNS report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the offer, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the offer is subject to inherent risks. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Regaal Resources Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public offer on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and pre-offer and price band advertisement for making investment decision in the offer. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated August 6, 2025 and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 7, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Regaal Resources Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 2,100 million rupees, and an offer for sale of up to 9,412,000 equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoters and promoter group selling shareholder, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. The anchor investor bidding period will close on Monday, August 11, 2025. The offer will open on Tuesday, August 12, 2025 and close on Thursday, August 14, 2025. The company was originally incorporated as Regaal Resources Private Limited at Kolkata as a private limited company under the Companies Act 1956 and received a certificate of incorporation issued by the ROC on January 2, 2012. Subsequently, pursuant to a special resolution passed by the shareholders of our company on October 10, 2015, the name of our company was changed to Regaal Resources Private Limited, and a fresh certificate of incorporation dated October 26, 2015 was issued to our company by the ROC. Thereafter, our company was converted into a public limited company pursuant to a special resolution passed by the shareholders of our company on November 10, 2021, and the name of our company was changed to Regaal Resources Limited, and a fresh certificate of incorporation dated March 30, 2022 was issued to our company by ROC. Registered and Corporate Office, 6th floor, D2/2, Block EP and JP, Sector 5, Kolkata, West Bengal, India 700091. Our company is headquartered in Kolkata, and our manufacturing plant with zero liquid discharge (ZLD) maize milling plant manufacturing facility spread across 54.03 acres is located in Kishanganj, Bihar. According to FNS report, we have strategically situated our plant in Bihar since it is one of India's major hubs for maize cultivation. The strategic location of our manufacturing facility is heightened by the proximity to our market for the sale of our products, that is the East and North India. And according to FNS report, our key export markets, that is Nepal and Bangladesh. The Nepal and Bangladesh borders are only 24 kilometers and 235 kilometers by road from our manufacturing facility. We manufacture native maize starch and modified starch, a plant-based natural starch that is produced from maize. Co-products includes gluten, germ, enriched fiber, and value-added products, food-grade starches such as maize flour, icing sugar, custard powder, and baking powder. We cater to domestic and international customers across diverse industries, including food products, paper, animal feed, and adhesives. Our business model is structured around catering to 3 broad segments of customers, viz. manufacturers of end products, manufacturers of intermediate products, and distributors, wholesale traders. Some of our more prominent customers include Imami Paper Mills Limited, Manioka Food Products Private Limited, Century Pulp and Paper, Kush Proteins Private Limited, Sri Guru Oil Industries, Mayank Cattle Food Limited, Arnav Sales Corporation, AMB Sales Corporation, Ecotech Papers, Genus Paper Board Private Limited, Krishna Tissues Private Limited, Maruti Papers Private Limited, and MS Vasu & Sons. Our products are sold across various states in India directly to the end customers and through distributors and dealer. We also have an FSSAI license. Our products are also sold overseas in countries such as Bangladesh, Nepal, and Malaysia. Investors should note the following important risks. One of our promoters, Anil Kishore Puria, is a party to a legal proceeding for alleged violation of Indian Penal Code and the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Any adverse order in this proceeding could have a material impact on our reputation and business operations. Purchase of maize from our top 10 vendors constituted more than 83% of our total cost of purchase of maize in each of the financial periods disclosed. And we typically do not enter into long-term contracts or arrangements with such vendors. Any loss of such vendors, suppliers, or any increase in the price could have adverse impact on our business and our revenue. Some of the members of our promoter group have not consented to the inclusion of, nor have they provided, information or any confirmations or undertakings pertaining to himself or the entities in which they hold interest, which are required to be disclosed in relation to promoter group under the SEBI ICDR regulations in the draft Red Herring Prospectus and this Red Herring Prospectus. The disclosures relating to these members of the promoter group have been included in the draft Red Herring Prospectus and this Red Herring Prospectus based on information available in public domain. Accordingly, we cannot assure you that the disclosures relating to such members of our promoter group are accurate, complete, or updated. Further, details in relation to connected persons which may qualify as a member of our promoter group have not been disclosed in the draft Red Herring Prospectus and this Red Herring Prospectus. One of our promoters, that is Anil Kishore Puria, and certain members of our promoter group were retrained from associating with capital market related activities in the past. There are certain outstanding legal proceedings involving our company, promoters and directors, key managerial personnel, and members of senior management which, if determined against us, could have a material adverse effect on our business, cash flows, financial condition, and results of operations. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 36 of the RHP and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 7, 2025 for further information. The promoters of our company are Anil Kishore Puria, Shruti Kishore Puria, Karan Kishore Puria, and BFL Private Limited, who holds 74,352,810 equity shares, constituting 90.52% of the pre-offer issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company. As on the date of this Red Herring Prospectus, our board comprises of 6 directors, including 1 woman director, of whom 2 are executive directors, 1 non-executive director, and 3 independent directors. Our company's revenue from operations as on and for the financial year ended March 2025 was 9,151.61 million rupees with an EBITDA margin of approximately 12.32%. The company registered a restated PAT of approximately 476.68 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 5.19% as on March 31, 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP on page 315 for further restated financial information. There are certain outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, promoters and directors, key managerial personnel, and members of senior management. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 420 of the RHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards repayment and/or prepayment in full or in part of our certain outstanding borrowings availed by our company and for general corporate purposes. The price band for the IPO is 96 rupees per equity share, floor price 202 rupees per equity share, cap price. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Pantomath Capital Advisors Private Limited, and Sumedha Fiscal Services Limited are the book-running lead managers to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated August 6, 2025, the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 7, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking any investment decision in relation to the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus dated August 6, 2025, any addenda and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-offer and price band advertisement dated August 7, 2025 for taking any investment decision in relation to the offer.